Hello everyone, I am Aditi Daga, studying in BSc final year, BTZ group from Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati. Today I am going to conduct a seminar on heterocyclic compounds, that is pyrrole. First of all, see the contents: pyrrole introduction, synthesis or preparation, molecular orbital structure, physical and chemical properties, orientation of electrophilic substitution in pyrrole, chemical reactions in pyrrole. Introduction. Pyrrole is a five-membered heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compounds is a compound in which one or more of the atoms of the ring are heteroatom. A heteroatom is an atom other than carbon atom. Pyrrole is also known as azole. In Greek, pyros is fairy and olem is oil. Molecular formula of pyrrole is C4H5N or C4H4NH. The IUPAC name of pyrrole is azacyclopenta 2,4-diene. Synthesis or preparation of pyrrole. Reactions that produce a particular functional group are called as preparations. There are three ways by which we can prepare pyrrole. They are preparation of pyrrole from acetylene, preparation of pyrrole from succinamide, and third, the preparation of pyrrole from furan. First, we will see from acetylene. When a mixture of two equivalents of acetylene and ammonia is passed through a red hot tube, it will form a pyrrole. Next, from succinamide. Pyrrole can be synthesized by distilling succinamide with zinc dust. In the below reaction, the first succinamide is in keto form. We have to convert it in an enol form. Then the reduction with zinc dust will form pyrrole. Third, from furan. Pyrrole can be manufactured by passing a mixture of furan, ammonia and steam over heated alumina, where the heated alumina act as an catalyst. Switch towards the molecular orbital structure. For molecular formula of pyrrole is C4H4NH or C4H5N. All atoms, that is nitrogen and carbon, undergoes sp2 hybridization. All the ring atoms in pyrrole contain 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. These hybrid orbitals of each atom is half filled, that is singly filled. The unhybridized p orbital atom is half filled, and that of the nitrogen atom, that is 2pz2, is full filled, having a lone pair of electrons. Pyrrole ring is planar due to sp2 hybridization. Formation of sigma bond. The sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with each other and form sigma bonds, that is 3 carbon-carbon, 2 carbon-nitrogen, 4 carbon-hydrogen and 1 nitrogen-hydrogen. So total 10 sigma bonds are formed. All these bonds lie in one plane and are 120 degrees from each other. This is the sigma skeleton of pyrrole. Now, formation of pi bond. Each ring atom, that is carbon and nitrogen in pyrrole, also has an unhybridized p orbital, and these are perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond and are parallel to each other. Lateral overlap of these 5p orbital give rise to the formation of delocalized pi molecular orbital or pi electron clouds above and below the plane of the ring. These pi molecular orbital contains total 6 electrons. Due to this, pyrrole shows aromatic properties or aromaticity by satisfying Haeckel's rule. Thus, pyrrole shows aromatic character as it contains aromatic sextet. This is the pi bond skeleton of pyrrole. Now, the physical properties of pyrrole. Pyrrole is colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 404 Kelvin. It's sparingly soluble in water but readily soluble in alcohol and ether. It has a chloroform-like odor. It is weak secondary base and reacts with cold distilled acid to form soluble salts. Now, chemical properties of pyrrole, in which we will see the acidic and basic nature of pyrrole. So first see the basic nature. When pyrrole reacts with dilute HCl in absence of oxygen to form crystalline salt called as pyrrole hydrochloride. This reaction indicates pyrrole is a base. Now, when we react the pyrrole with HCl, with dilute HCl in presence of oxygen, it will form brown resin. Therefore, to prove the basic nature of pyrrole, we have to do this reaction in the absence of oxygen. The reasons for weakly basic character as pyrrole are: The lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen atom of pyrrole is available for donation, protonation or coordination. So pyrrole is basic in nature. The lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen atom of pyrrole is involved in the formation of resonance. According to the resonance theory, pyrrole is a resonance hybrid of the following resonating structures. Now, so further if a proton is added to the nitrogen by reaction with acid, so resulting product is obtained which lost their aromaticity and resonance energy. So pyrrole cation is very unstable and hence it is very weak base. Now acidic nature of pyrrole. Pyrrole is not only act as a weak base but also act as a very weak acid. The acidity of pyrrole is about as that of the acetylene. When a pyrrole is reacted with solid KOH to form a salt called potasiopyrrole or pyrrole potassium, so pyrrole is acidic in nature also. Now the reactions for weakly acidic character of pyrrole. The reason for the acidic character of pyrrole is that the electron pair delocalization from nitrogen makes it positively charged and increases the possibility proton abstraction, giving pyrrole anion. Furthermore, pyrrole anion is stabilized by the delocalization of negative charge over the ring. Now, orientation of electrophilic substitution in pyrrole. This explanation is on the basis of resonance stability of intermediate carbonium ion formed by the attack of electrophile, and this is explained by the attack of electrophile at second and the third position. So from the given reaction you can see that the attack of electrophile on the position number 2 gives 3 resonating structure, whereas the attack of electrophile on third position gives the 2 resonating structure. Hence on second position, more number of resonating structure, hence more the stability than the third position. Hence in pyrrole, electrophilic attack occurs at second position is more stable rather than the third position. Now chemical reactions of pyrrole. Halogenation. There are different types of reactions, for example halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So let's see the one by one. Halogenation. Pyrrole undergoes halogenation rapidly due to the presence of activation of pyrrole ring. Chlorination. Chlorination, there are two types. First one is when pyrrole is reacted or treated with chlorine to form pentachloropyrrole, and next one is when pyrrole is reacted or treated with sulfuryl chloride in ether at 0 degree centigrade to form 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. Now bromination. When pyrrole is reacted or treated with bromine in presence of ethanol at 0 degree centigrade to form 2,3,4,5 tetrabromopyrrole, where the iodination when a pyrrole is reacted with iodine in presence of an aqueous potassium iodide solution to form 2,3,4,5 tetraiodopyrrole. Now nitration. When pyrrole is reacted or treated with cold solution of nitric acid in acetic anhydride at about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade to form 2-nitropyrrole. Sulfonation. When pyrrole is heated with sulfur trioxide in pyridine as a solvent at about 90 to 100 degrees centigrade to form 2-pyrrole sulfonic acid or pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid. At last, the Friedel-Crafts acylation or also known as acetylation. Reaction of pyrrole with acetic anhydride under heating condition give 2-acetylpyrrole. Noted here, the pyrrole does not give acetylation reaction with acetyl chloride because pyrrole contains amino hydrogen. Thank you for watching this video.